नमस्ते, मेरा नाम लिंसी है। मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हूँ। मैं इंडियन लिंगua के साथ हिंदी सीखती हूँ। So my name's Lindsay and I recently just did the intensive Hindi class with Indian Lingua. When I started I could only say namaste, and I've obviously progressed a lot since then. My goals when doing the class was that I really wanted to be able to converse with the local people in India, and also to be able to learn to read the Hindi script. Definitely achieved both of those goals. I took the classes almost every day, which was really helpful because I was able to reinforce on a daily basis everything that I learned. I wasn't forgetting things between classes, and I really think it helped me to progress a lot quicker to do it that way. Originally wanted to do group classes, but in the end I did one-to-one classes, which actually I much preferred, found them much more helpful, because every day I was able to have conversation in Hindi, and my confidence in being able to speak and listen to Hindi was greatly increased, so that when I actually went outside of class into the local shops and with the local people, I felt that I was able to actually practice what I learned and use it in everyday conversation. The teachers have always been very helpful, very patient. Whenever you ask questions, they'll give you examples and they'll explain things in different ways so that you can really understand it from different perspectives and really get the concept properly. We also do a lot of exercises which reinforce what you've learned in class, and there's homework that you can do to improve. So overall the atmosphere was very encouraging, very relaxed, and I enjoyed the classes. And in conclusion, I've already recommended the class to some friends, and if I had to do the class again, I would definitely do it again.